Hello, kindergarten. This week you are going to be breaking apart the number 10 with one missing add-in. So they will give you one number as they show you, or it shows on this screen, and then you need to figure out that other number. So for an example, this is going to be on one of your math pages today. It says 7 plus what equals 10? So if you count these red connecting cubes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like it shows 7. So we need to figure out how many more to get to 10. So one thing that you can do on your math today, we know that there's 7, so you can count on. So 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'd stop there because we have our total. So then you'd count how many you had to add to get to our total. So there's 1, 2, 3. And then you can check your math to make sure you are right. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. So you could either draw a picture to make sure it's correct. You could use your fingers. Down here they're using fingers, and Mrs. Sonic is going to show you a couple different things that you could do today to help you with your math. So I have one example here. So I have some connecting cubes on one side, and then I need to equal 10 because we are building numbers up to 10 this week on Tuesday and Wednesday. So right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my first part, but I don't know my second part, and I have 10 for my total. So if I have 6, how many more would I need to get up to 10? So let's figure that out. I have the connecting cubes underneath here, but let's figure out how many I would need. So if I have 6 and I need to stop at 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there should be 4 cubes underneath here. Let's check to see if we are correct. 4. So now to make sure that we have the right numbers, so I can write 6 and 4 equals 10. So let's count them all together to make sure we get our correct total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it correctly. Let's see if we can guess the next one. Okay, so we started with 3 cubes, and we need to get up to, again, our total of 10. So Mrs. Sahanic has the correct number underneath here, but let's see if we can figure it out by counting on. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have to stop at 10 because that is our total here. So let's see if we got it correct. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes underneath here. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. We did it correct. Now let's count them all together to make sure we got our total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it correctly. So if you'd like to do this at home, you just need to take all of your cubes and then start with the number that your assignment gives you. So if they give you 2 cubes to start, you'd put the rest in a pile and then cover it up with a cup. And then you can figure out your 2 different parts. Okay, so that's one way that you could do your math today. Another way, if you created your hand that I showed you before, if you started, so we're always going to be using 10, just like we have 10 hands. So if you started with 2, and we needed to figure out our missing part, we could just count how many fingers we need to add to get up to 10. So we already have 2, so let's count how many more we need to get up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 would equal 10. And if you don't have this at home, you can actually just use your fingers. I have one more way to show you. So remember, these kindergarten, they're called double 10 frames. So I have some of my 10 frame filled in, and I know that there's 10 because it's a double 10 frame. So let's count how many we have to begin with. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6. And I need to figure out how many more I need to get up to 10. So how many empty spots do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how many more I would need to fill my 10 frame. Perfect. So that's one way you can do it. And then on some of your math assignments today, I think it's tomorrow actually, they're going to give you just a blank 10 frame. So we need to figure out, we know that there's 10 spots total because it's a double 10 frame. And then we need to break apart this. So Mrs. Sonic is going to use two different colored connecting cubes. So if I start with brown, and let's say I fill in the first frame with brown, and then I fill in the next frame with green. Now you need to tell me the two different parts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brown, plus how many green do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So that's another way that you could use it. You could use your counters and use the red and yellow side of the counter, or you could use different colored connecting cubes to do your math. If you have any questions on your math today or tomorrow, let us know. On Thursday, you guys are going to be doing a review for chapter or unit 6 test. So, or excuse me, I think it's called a topic. Topic 8, not 6. Topic 8 test. So if you have any questions when you're doing the review for topic 8, please let your teacher know, because on Friday you have your first math test at home. Remember, you need to do the math test by yourself. Your parents can help you get logged in, but please answer all of the questions by yourself. It does not go in the grade book, but your teachers want to know how you're doing. So it will open on Friday and it will close on Sunday. If you have any questions this week on math, please let us know. Have a great day.